Alright, day one, we just checked out of La Quinta, and we're going to be starting day one of living in our car and kind of checking out that experience. So let's go ahead and get into it and start our day. Alright, as far as hygiene goes, we're going to go ahead and use Select Fitness there. We're going to come work out in the mornings, then we're going to shower and get ready for work, do our 12-hour shift, come back, work out again, take a shower and change for the day, and go from there. Alright, so it's about 10 o'clock and we pulled off and found a place to stay for the night. It's right off the highway, not too far from work. And this is a, pretty dark area surrounded by bushes in this parking lot, but there's a little bit of light by the buildings. Now I have the windows covered with some car window covers or whatever they are I got from Walmart for like $3 or $5 or whatever it was. And I had some small ones for the side window, but they weren't working, so I had to use a t-shirt. Now, I have my PlayStation hooked up to a monitor and everything in the car, so I could do that while I'm not working and all that. And I'll show you a walk around tomorrow, kind of what we're doing. But we gotta get up at like 4:30 to get ready for the gym so we can shower and get ready for work. And we'll see you more tomorrow. All right, so this is day two, night two. First night was all right. Now I'm gonna show you around the car, kind of show you how we're doing. I was staying in a hotel previous, so I have tons of stuff in here. Now in the trunk here, we got a bunch of stuff that I was having in there, like my VR that we were playing in the hotel and all that stuff. On the side here, we'll have our dirty clothes in a bag to kind of get the smell out, because I do go to the gym, so some of those are sweaty. In the bag down here, we keep all our clean clothes that we get from the cleaners. They keep them nice and tight, saran wrap them. We got a bunch of other stuff in there, our switch, some of our gear for work. Really compact in there. Like I said, we had all this in the hotel. Now, it's gonna be hard to see a little bit, but in here, in my back seat, I keep my little things for the windows to kind of keep it dark in here. I rolled up t-shirts in the side windows, just kind of keep it dark. We bought this little padding here. I'm gonna cut it to the size of the seat because the seat was a little hard last night, so we're gonna try to use that. Down at the bottom here, I don't know if you can see, but that's a monitor. I have a computer monitor down there because I do have underneath the seat. You might be able to see it right here. That's my PlayStation. I have my PlayStation in the back seat so I can pick up my monitor and put it on my back seat, and my PlayStation stays underneath there and we can game a little bit. Now on my side door back here, I keep all my stuff in front of the bathroom that we use at the gym. Now if you can see down here, I don't know if you can see, it's a little red. That's my inverter hooked to the battery so that we can play the game. On the sides here, it's kind of like my junk drawers. Kind of keep all the stuff right there, a bunch of change in the drawer. Now on the front seats, man, I usually just keep some food and some snacks and some drinks. Down below, we keep our camera bags and drones and stuff like that. Up top here is where we house all our headphones on the mirror. Got my PlayStation headphones, got my gym headphones. We got some hats up here. And that's pretty much it. We also have this when I have it connected. And that's like a smell good thing, so it don't smell too bad in the car. But that's pretty much it, and this is day two, and we're gonna see how this goes, and we're gonna continue on until Sunday. Sunday we might be traveling, so it might go on to day 7 days, but we'll see how that goes. All right. Okay, just in case you guys thought I was joking here, we're in the car. Do we have the PlayStation hooked up? There's the monitor right there, and then below my seat we have the PlayStation Pro. Now it's hooked up to my inverter up front, so that way we can play for about an hour before we go to bed. We have the t-shirts in the windows. We have some covers for the windows for the front and the back. Once we're done, we just slip the monitor behind the driver's seat on the ground there. During the day, I cover it up with the blanket so nobody can see it. Don't want anybody breaking in my car for it. But yeah, that's pretty much the setup. I have to use the headphones because the monitor don't got no speakers, and I don't have an audio jack to put it over the car, but that would be dope because we'd be watching some Netflix. But yeah, there it is so far. That's day two, night two, and we'll just kind of continue on, see how this goes. Man, I keep leaving my camera on. All right, so we here. Morning number 3, and we just getting up. So I went to Walmart here, and I brought this extra padding down here to kind of put on my car seat because it's a little lumpy. The middle's a little bit taller than the seats, so it's kind of hurting the back, kind of weird to sleep. It hasn't really helped. Now, if I was gonna do this long term, I think I would get a van and kind of outfit it a little bit, you know, take the seats out, make a bed, all that other good stuff. But since this is kind of just an experiment for a week to kind of see how it is, we gotta deal what we gotta deal. So I might go to Walmart, get another set of paddings or whatever. We got a few more days to be doing this to kind of check it out. We had got a pillow while we were there also at Walmart. Instead of using the blanket, I had to turn on the car once or twice to kind of get some AC because it got a little hot last night. But other than that, it wasn't too bad. Slept pretty good. Maybe just a little bit more padding. But if you guys have any ideas for next time, I might try this. Let me know in the comments below and we'll check it out. But for now, we gotta hit the gym. We gotta work out, shower, and change for work, and continue on with our day. Looks like it might rain today. A little cloudy, a little dark, but let's go. All right, morning 4, and it was a little rough last night. It was actually downpouring. As you can see, it's still raining. It was downpouring, hitting the top of the car, and it was really loud, and it felt like lightning was striking right by the car. I actually didn't put nothing up on my windows last night. We went to the movies, kind of got out kind of late. I pulled off to the side of the movie theater parking lot and just kind of crashed there. We was a little bit tired, so that's how that went last night. It's not so bad, man. This padding that I put down, it helps. It's helping a little bit. It's still a little uneven, so I think today, if it stops raining, I'm gonna go ahead and fix the padding a little bit. It's kind of sliding, kind of fix it so where it's a little bit even. But other than that, it hasn't been too bad. I'm enjoying it so far. We got a few more days. Let's see how it goes by the end of the week. All right, this is day 5. We just woke up. We're at a rest stop here. We're actually traveling from Wisconsin to Oklahoma. I had a family emergency, so we had to cut this video short, just 5 days. I wanted to do 7, sorry guys, can only do 5. Now in conclusion, I just want to go ahead and say, could I do this for 2 weeks or so? Maybe, with a little bit more modification, my back seat make it a little bit more comfortable. I think I could handle it. Now if we was gonna do a month stint or longer, I think I would like to get a van. That way we can modify it and have a little bit more space and be a little bit more comfortable. Yeah, with that being said, if y'all like this video and y'all want to see me do more videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, just make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you don't miss out on any other videos, and we'll be back. Peace.